Hi, so welcome to me. I hope you like it.
Yo.
But yeah, so mag-vlog lang kami kasi it's Cinco de Mayo. But I'm here with my friends. So let's go.
Hi guys.
What are you doing for this Cinco de Mayo? Yes. Anong gagawin nyo ngayon today? Check. Oh my God! That's so cute. Hinugasan mo ba yan bago?
Hindi na, hugasan ko.
Asan siya? No? Jammer! Tapos, habang lasing, papaano tayo? Ano tayo ito? Butas ng tenga sa baba. Char! Labi talaga tawag sa baba, hindi tenga. Ayaw nga pala. Sana all may labi. Char!
It doesn't look good right now, guys, but in the end, is bomb.com.
Kala ko impromptu, sabi nyo. Encanto pala. Dito po kami ginanap kay kay Kuya Junmer. Ay, Kuya Junmer. Kasi po yung mga friends nagse-celebrate po sila dati dito, pero never po kami. So kaya yun po yung reason na pilitan po yung aming host.
Sabi ko, lalabas tayo.
Sabi niya, hindi. Kasi yung dating mga lagi sila nandito gumaganap. Aray!
Dito sila nagbabrunch.
Dito sila nagbabranch lahat. Tapos kami never na-invite dito sa punyetang bahay na to. Char! Char! May galit. Okay, so ready na kami kumain. Let's Happy Thanksgiving, guys.
Hello. So we're eating now. You?
That's all I have to say.
No. But we know that Cinco de Mayo isn't really a Mexican holiday, but we are enjoying our food. At saka habang kumakain. What was that?
Hindi siya Mexican holiday.
We should know your culture.
Rude.
He got you.
May favorite memories kayo ng Cinco de Mayo?
Oh my god.
Magkapatid.
Wala.
Magkapatid, tanongin mo.
Ikaw meron? Ikaw meron?
Alin?
Anong favorite experience mo kay memory ng Cinco de Mayo?
The drinks.
Bukod pa doon, baka malinis.
Ako magsasabi.
Story time.
So pumunta ako sa Mexican restaurant. Hindi ko na English kasi sakto ilong ko eh. But kumakain kami, next thing you know, si Best, tutulong sana. Biglang nagpapatawag na 911. So nagpanik kami anong ginagawa. Tapos siya pumunta siya sa hospital na ano nangyari?
Indigestion.
Indigestion. Tapos basta nagpanik siya kasi
Ano yung indigestion?
masakit yung tiyan. Sumakit yung tiyan niya. Diba, kasi talaga na-ER siya and everything. Tapos after nun, nandun kami, bumalik yung yung ibang kasama namin, uminom. Nung nalaman namin okay na siya.
Hinintay natin si Nuno.
Hindi na kami magsabi ko anong sino yung mga bumalik. Pero bumalik na sa inuman, pero ayun nga. Pero she's okay. Kaya ngayon, dito na kami sa bahay. Kasi yung unang-una talaga na nangyari, yung sumpa ng Cinco de Mayo, is
Ano nangyari?
grabe si Bakla, lasing na lasing. Pumunta siya sa banyo. Nadulas ba o nahilo?
Wala siya in the restaurant.
Tapos,
Buster her lips dun sa sink.
I went to the bathroom. May kikilala kami. Sabi niya, hey, your sister just fell right here. She's in the bathroom. I was like, no shit. I was like, let me go check on her. And boy, I went in the bathroom. I said, Abe! Her ass was sitting down inside the stall with a busted lip
Oh my God.
near the toilet.
Insert picture.
picture.
So, kaya, ang Cinco de Mayo namin is very, very
historic.
memorable and meaningful.
Anong
Historic.
meaningful. Para sa'yo.
Memorable. Traditional. We need to pass the torch.
So ngayon, tinatry namin today. Sana wala nang mangyari, pero baka will be good. Cheers.
Cheers. Let's cheers to that.
Yes, let's go!
Cheers.
Salud! Salute!
Salud.
Cheers.
Salute po, salute.
Ang sarap niya.
We just got done eating and the food coma is definitely hitting. You'll definitely see it with our friends. Let's check on what they're doing. Food coma.
I think you've seen this one, right?
Food coma. This is a first for Cinco de Mayo. So, pagkatapos namin kumain, nag-decide sila na maglakad daw kami, alay-lakad kami, na hindi namin naglalakad ang mga to. At bibili kami ng ice cream naman. Hindi sapat yung kinain namin. But so much for walking! It started raining. So, we all decided na kunin ang kotse. Pero, at the end, dalawa na lang sila kukuha. Habang kami naiwan dito.
A few moments later.
And they're still walking.
A few minutes later.
They're here!
Our savior!
Rude! Rude! Thank you, saviors. Thank you for picking us up.
Oh my
We
God.
made it to town center. We made it, guys. Sa mga naglakad sa ulan, they earned it. Congrats, you did it. Ayan. Alam mo guys, kung sa last vlog namin, may friend kami na may kilay. Medyo nanganganib yung kilay niya today.
Medyo nawawala nga eh.
Nabasa yung kilay niya.
Pag gagawin ko, lumawala.
Kaya hindi ko ginagalaw eh. Baka masira.
Our ice creams.
Pabila.
We got our ice creams. We got our ice creams. Hindi ko kami kumain doon, so we ate here. Basta ice cream nyo.
Okay naman.
I like it.
Love it.
Like it.
Ano nangyari? Hindi na naglakad.
Hindi na kaya.
Antok na ako.
Masana yung buhok.
May vetching yung ice cream. Na-vetching kami ng ice cream.
Lahat na lang na betchy.
Buti.
Paglakad.
Sana.
Ano nangyari? What happened? Thank you, John.
I'll see you guys whenever. Huy! I feel violated!
Please like and subscribe
Please like
for his eyebrows to come back.
I didn't.
Say bye. Bye. See y'all again next time. Bye.
Bye.
So we made it home, and the home made us.
Yep. Made it home. Thank you for watching our vlog. Thank you for joining us this Cinco de Mayo. Please
Subscribe our channel.
Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and if you have
God.
any ideas for us to do another vlog, please let us know.
And thank you so much.
What's our line?
I forgot.
Bye, friends.
Bye, friends. Yes. Mwah.
Bye.